Tim.
Hi, I'm Kelly.
Hi, I'm Nathan.
Hi, I'm Charlie. Hi, I'm Kathleen.
And together, we're Hi-5.
Oh, it's such a sunshiny day today. I thought I'd come outside and do some painting. Oh, this paper. Well, it's blue, just like the sky. Ah, and this paint's a beautiful blue as well.